Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix all apps crash problem in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. It occurs when your device is slow down and you have exceed your storage. So just clear your storage first and then you have to go to settings. Then friends, you have to go to apps and click on see all apps, and you have to turn off background data and clear cache all the data, like clear storage and cache, then clear cache. You have to do this with all the apps like this, you can see. And then friends, you can see whether there is an update in the smartphone. You have to update your smartphone and then restart your device. It will fix your app crash problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.